Start of message.
Yeah, I just wanted to express some thank yous out to Kurt Farrell and his staff for the drill conductor course that me and my deckhand took. I believe it saved my life Monday when I went overboard. It never never got reported, so anyway, we were set in gear, and I went up against the rail and over backwards, and because I had my flotation device and my crew was educated as far as what to do, they were able to spin around and get me out of the water in less than 4 minutes. Again, thank you very much for putting on this course, and because of your course, props to you guys. I'm alive and talking about it. Flotation devices do save lives. I'm walking proof of it. Thank you very much. Have a great holiday. I know.